Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to access Google Chrome theme and layout. Right, so the very first thing you want to do is to open up your Chrome browser. Then after you open up your Chrome browser, next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here, click on these three dots, and this is going to drop down. Next thing you need to do is to navigate to extensions right here, then move to visit Chrome Web Store. So it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to themes. Then right here, you have a lot of themes right here. You can browse by category: artist, race, animal, art and design, cars, colors, dark and black theme, entertainment, etc. You can also scroll down right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see different themes that you can simply use. If you need any of the theme right here, simply click on it and it's going to load up. Then you can see the preview and see the design layout. If you are satisfied with any of them right here, what you need to do is to simply click on Add to Chrome. And with that, your Chrome theme browse is going to change to the current one you added without any stress. I hope you really got fun for this video. Find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial about Chrome browser. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.